Introducing Writing Time. What toys do you like? Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share your ideas. We can share our ideas with pictures, and we can share our ideas with words. What toys do you like? I like teddy bears and dolls to hug. I like toy trains and cars upon the rug. I like building blocks and puzzles too. I like colorful crayons to draw with you. I like toy dinosaurs and action figures tall. I like bouncing balls that zoom and fall. I like stuffed animals so soft and sweet. I like toy kitchens with pretend food to eat. I like kites on strings up in the sky. I like scooters and wagons rolling by. I like bubbles that make me laugh and play. I like finding new favorite toys every day. What other toys do you like? Do you like yo-yos and spinning tops? Do you like marbles that roll and stop? Do you like jump ropes and hula hoops too? Do you like puppets that wave at you? Do you like toy robots and rocket ships? Do you like pirate boats for pretend trips? Do you like sidewalk chalk and Play-Doh? Do you like toy drums that tap a beat you know? Do you like helicopters and pinwheels that spin? Do you like toy airplanes soaring in the wind? Do you like magnetic shapes to build and play? Or is there another toy you'd like today? Now it's your turn to draw. It's your turn to write. It's your turn to share what toys bring you delight. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.